Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to speed up and optimize your Windows 11 PC, or any other computer. It's simple, and by following along, you'll improve your computer's performance, making it run faster, so make sure to watch the whole video. Step 1. Clearing Prefetch cache. First, press the Windows key and the R key together. This will open the Run dialog. Now, type Prefetch and hit OK. You may be prompted for permission. Just click Continue. Next, select any file in the folder that opens, press Ctrl+A to select all files, and then press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. This permanently deletes these cache files. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. Step 2. Clearing Temp folder. Now, press the Windows key and R key together again. This time, type Temp and hit OK. A new window will open. If your computer has some temporary files, select any file, press Ctrl+A to select all, and then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete them. Temp files are often leftover chunks from applications that can safely be removed. Step 3. Clearing %temp% folder. Once again, press the Windows key and the R key. Now type %temp% and hit OK. This is another folder where encrypted junk and cache files are stored. These files are not created by you and are safe to delete. Just like before, select any file, press Ctrl+AE, and then press Shift+Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, just check the Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. It's perfectly fine to leave those files alone. Step 4. Running Disk Cleanup. For this step, press the Windows key and R key together once more. This time, type cleanmgr and hit OK. The Disk Cleanup tool will open. By default, the C drive will be selected. Click OK, and then in the Disk Cleanup window, check all the boxes, including Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Delivery Optimization Files, and Temporary Internet Files. Once you've selected everything, click OK. Step 5. Disable startup programs. Now let's speed up your boot time by disabling startup programs. These are the apps that automatically launch when you turn on your PC. Here's how to disable them. Right-click the Start button and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl+Shift+S key to open it directly. Once the Task Manager opens, click More Details, or the menu icon, then navigate to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll find a list of programs. Right-click on any program you don't need at startup, and click Disable. After disabling all the programs you don't need at startup, you can close the Task Manager. Also, apps like Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and Skype may be running during startup. To disable these, go to Settings by pressing Windows QI, select Apps, then click on Startup. Turn off any apps you don't want to run at startup. Step 6. Defragment your hard disk. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented, which can slow down your computer. To fix this, you can defragment your hard disk. Press the Windows key, search for Defragment and Optimize drives, and select it. Choose the drive you want to defrag, then click Optimize. Step 7. Disable restartable apps. Windows 11. Automatically restart some background apps when you sign in. For older PCs, disabling this feature can improve performance. To do this, click on the Start button, go to Settings, then Accounts, and select Sign In Options. Turn off the toggle for Automatically Save My Restartable Apps. Step 8. Uninstall unnecessary software. Removing unused software and bloatware can also speed up your computer. To do this, click on the Start button again, go to Settings, click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Here you'll find a list of all installed apps. Select the ones you don't need, click the three-dot menu, and choose Uninstall. Step 9. Enable Storage Sense. You can also enable Storage Sense, which automatically cleans up your PC. To do this, open Settings, go to System, then click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Step 10. Disable animations and visual effects. Windows 11 has smooth animations and effects that can slow down your computer, especially if it lacks a powerful GPU. To focus on performance, you can disable these visual effects. Open Settings, go to Personalization, and click on Colors. Turn off Transparency Effects. Then, navigate to Accessibility and select Visual Effects. Turn off both Transparency Effects and Animation Effects. Additionally, search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Settings under Performance, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply and then OK to confirm. Step 11. Disable notifications and tips. Notifications and tips can reduce your PC's performance. Disabling them can help. To do this, click on the Start button again, go to Settings, then System, click on Notifications, and turn off Offer Suggestions on how I can set up my device. Step 12. Disable Game Mode. If you're not a gamer, disabling Game Mode can free up system resources. Go to Settings, then Gaming, click on Game Mode, and turn off Game Mode. Step 13. Don't install third-party antivirus software. It's a common misconception to install a third-party antivirus on Windows 11. Yes, there was a time when you needed a dedicated antivirus program to block malware and viruses. However, Microsoft has upped the game on the security front, and its built-in Windows security is more than enough to protect your Windows 11 PC. Microsoft updates the virus definitions regularly, and in my usage, it has proven to be a reliable antivirus. The problem with installing an alternative antivirus is that it really slows down your PC. Both the antivirus programs check file hashes, do integrity checks, and more. This can hamper your PC's performance. To sum up, I would say, do not install a third-party antivirus to keep your Windows 11 PC snappy and responsive. Meanwhile, make sure to check for viruses regularly because they can hamper the performance of your PC and pose security risks. Windows 11 has built-in virus protection that can help you get rid of them. Head to the Start menu, open Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security. Click on the Windows Security option. Once opened, head to the Virus and Threat Protection option, check for updates, and run a quick scan. This helps in improving the PC performance and keeps you protected as well. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll notice your Windows 11 PC running faster and smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.